Hashtag We Gamma Math. We are getting into the near end of our semester, and I just want to highlight some great things that's happening and remind us of some things to close out the year. So here we have our data tracker. Feel free to look at it in the email once it's sent. And we have our latest data wheels. The grade level I want to highlight is Allison. I popped into our exit ticket tracker and I noticed that she had her 3 exit tickets for this week. Even though there's a lot of red, there is some plan for response. So I wanted to highlight that and already looking at the misconceptions that need to be addressed. So kudos to Allison and Durden for ensuring that our exit ticket tracker was up for our first rollout week. I've also done a grade check. As of today, everybody has more than an adequate number of grades. I just want to make sure that we keep up with the latest grades. So if there's any grades that we need to put in, let's just go ahead and get them in so that we can make sure that we are ready to rock and roll for our golden ticket and beyond. Just want to kind of highlight some very important dates. Ensure your exit ticket is uploaded. Benchmarks is all next week. Make sure we're showing up on time. We will not have O3s, but we will have brief conversations to ensure that we are ready for our regional PD. For by December the 11th, this is really big. I need those 12 lessons firm and ready to assign because I want to hand out all of the information on Thursday and Friday of this upcoming week. Our lesson plans are also due for next week. And on the 14th, I plan on sending out for all of us our 12 days of Christmas, making sure that you have a jump start on your holiday golden ticket and going over that exit ticket tracker because on December the 17th, our O3s will be preparing for the regional day and looking at how we're responding to our exit ticket data. Just so you'll know, we do have quite a few people that are going to be out of the building on the 18th and the 19th due to field trips and as well as just things that are happening that wraps up the year. So make sure that you are planning your lessons accordingly and that you aren't teaching anything new if you're going to have a substantial amount of kids gone. Also, regional PD is the 20th. Please let me know if you have not registered. I will be doing a check for that. If you have registered, you will be in a secret pot beyond the lollipops that I have already given out. So congratulations to Miss Bryant, who was one of the first people to register. And I think Robinson is right with her. So make sure that you are getting registered. We are going to have a secret Santa gift as a result to getting our holiday tickets done and just wrapping up the year with a bang. Last but not least, February the 5th is STEAM Day. So get ready for that. We need to be either re-given our prerequisite quizzes that we gave at the beginning of the year or just deciding on what tests we're going to give so that we can use that data to determine our winners. All right. Well, we are at the end of our weekly overview. If you have any questions, as always, reach out to me. And there's a lot going on, so make sure that you stay tuned.